That's not, I didn't say it, the universe said it. Survival of the fittest. 3, 2, double it up. Smile. Keep that chin up. Squeeze. Come on. Or shake. Booty quake. Up. I'm not afraid of dying. I'm afraid of not trying. That's when you die. Woo! Work for it. Activate your willpower, your muscles, your intestinal fortitude. I'm on the front lines. Where are you at? I'm on the front lines. Come on, VIPs. You got this. Sip of water. Inhale. We're going to circuit number 4. I need a chair. I need a band. We're going to hold your negative energy hostage. We're going to hold her hostage. Okay? Yeah. We're going to put her right here. I'm going off today. You know why? I have to. We're facing a big enemy right now. So your VIP power, your strength, has got to get stronger. If it doesn't, well, that's all she wrote. And I got more chapters in my life. Who's got more chapters in their life to write? Get that band. Come on. Okay? This is what we're going to be doing. Get your band right here. And then get a weight. You can put at the bottom of your feet, because you're going to be doing some leg extensions, okay, and bicep curl. Now we want to focus only on the legs, do so. If you want to really get your money's worth and get a buy one, get one free, grab those biceps, okay? Let's go. On your mark. Get set. Bicep here. One weight in your feet. That's right. We're tripling it up. We're going to triple up the pleasure. Yeah, never give up. 3, 2, 1. Oh boy, new move alert. Come on. Never give up. Ha! Hello. Yes. Hello quads. Hello abs. Hello biceps. Woo! Oh, don't quit. This is your rest of your life. Will be like a champion. Don't quit. You quit now? 3, 2, 1. Yes. All right, now we're going to invert. Give me that long lean leg. All right? I want to see you guys roll out your red carpet and give me that inversion. Woo. Red carpet right now. All right? 3. And you still have the bands on. Red carpet, lights, camera, action. Yes. Never give up.